Although you know little about the underlying facts of the investigation or the life of this family, you do know that Hancock informed Miller that she had an attorney and would not allow Miller into her home. Miller was angry and told Hancock she didn't have to talk to her attorney. You also know that Hancock went to the police station that night to report her son had not returned home. Miller showed up at the police station, and Detective Cornelius excluded Miller from the interview. The following day, myself, as Miss Hancock's attorney, started making phone calls and leaving messages. Miller, her supervisor Mary Baker, the local offices, and the central office of DCS. No one bothered to call back. My messages informed DCS that Hancock had an attorney and we would cooperate in an investigation. On Friday, August the 10th, I also spoke to the detective and told him I would travel to Smith County to meet with him, but it would take 2 hours to get there. He informed me that he wasn't going to be there in 2 hours, and I asked him if there was anything emergent that I needed to discuss with my client, and he said no. On Monday, August the 13th, I again attempted to contact Miller and Cornelius with no response. I contacted the clerk's office multiple times to ask if DCS had filed anything, and they said no. At about 3:45, I made one last phone call, and they said DCS had just been there and they would fax me the documents. They did not. I would later find out that on Monday, August the 13th, DCS Miller and Hetzel prepared a DeKalb County petition, an ex parte order, and carried it to Smith County Judge Collins to secretly obtain an order before they even filed it in DeKalb County. They also set a hearing for Tuesday morning and didn't even bother to inform me of the hearing. DCS Miller swore in that petition that Mother had refused to cooperate, but did not inform the court that Mother had an attorney who attempted to contact her.